In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell PDF files online using Sellfy. If you're looking to monetize your digital content, Sellfy is a straightforward platform that allows you to easily reach your audience and start earning from your creativity. Let's jump right into the process. First and foremost, begin by heading to the Sellfy dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand menu and find the section labeled Products. This is going to be your go-to area for managing all the products you want to sell through Sellfy. Click on Products, and you'll see an Add New Product button. Click on that to start adding a new digital item to your store. As you progress, you'll need to select the type of product you're going to offer. For your PDF file, you'll want to choose Digital Product. This option is tailored specifically for digital content like PDFs, so go ahead and select it. Now, it's time to upload your PDF file. On the product creation page, there's an option that says Upload New File. Click on it, and a window will pop up allowing you to choose your PDF document from your computer. Sellfy makes it simple by securely hosting and delivering your files to your customers. You can upload a single PDF or even bundle up to 50 files, including other file formats, into one product. This flexibility is great if you're offering a series or a comprehensive package. After uploading your file, the next crucial step is configuring the product details. Think about what will make your PDF stand out and attract buyers. Start with the product name. You'll want to come up with a clear and compelling title that captures what your PDF is all about. Something like Ultimate eBook Guide to Digital Art. Moving on, focus on the product description. This is your chance to highlight what customers can expect. Be detailed about what they will receive, the benefits it offers, and make sure to mention that it's a PDF file so they know exactly what they're getting. Once the description is nailed down, consider the pricing. Enter your desired price in the currency of your choice, keeping in mind the perceived value and what your target audience might be willing to pay. Finally, we arrive at the last important stage, saving and publishing your product. It's essential to review all your settings to ensure everything is accurate and ready for potential customers to see. Look for a toggle that says Visible on Store Page. Make sure it's turned on. This ensures that your product can be seen and purchased by your audience. With everything set, click on the Save Product button, and there you have it. Your PDF file is now ready to be sold online with Sellfy. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to sharing your expertise or creative work with the world while generating income from your digital products. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling!